Hello everyone, welcome to you on my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to reference cell or pull data from another worksheet. Let's begin. This is my data, this is my worksheet, and this is another worksheet. I want to bring this information, this description in this sheet. How I enter? I just enter the value here. For example, this value, if I'm going to remove it, it will mention here, it will write here work group is not available, the value is not available. Okay, if it is blank. If the number is there, it will capture the information from this sheet. Sometimes as a practical while working, you need some of the information from the other sheet while entering the information here, and you will get the value here, your description here. How you can do this one, I will guide you. I'll remove this formula, I will write it again for you. You will write here equals to if then this value greater than 0, comma, if error VLOOKUP, and which value you want to find, this value, comma, from where you need to get this data, this Excel sheet. Just I'm highlighting these two informations from here to here, and I will lock my cell and comma, false, false. Okay. After writing the false, what you will do, you will write here, comma, WG with inverted commas, WG not correct, not correct. Inverted commas close, bracket close, then again comma, inverted commas open, work group is not entered. Enter the value. See what it is doing now? It is not showing me anything. You know what is the mistake what we have done it here? While writing here, we have not tell the system, tell our logic that from which information it will capture. I want to capture this information from C to D. C to D means number 1 and number 2. I will write here number 2. After this comma, I will write here number 2 and comma. Now you will find this information is available. This is the practically, sometimes while we are working, we are ignoring these things. Intentionally or unintentionally we are doing this one. See, for example, now if I will enter the value here 1, it will take the 1. We will reassure this one. I will take this value, okay, and I will put it here. See, it changed. The number has been, the description has been changed. I will take this value, I will take the last value, what we have it here, port consultancy, and I will write here this number, copy and paste, and you will find this number. This is very easy. You just need to consider two things. Number 1, the value will be greater than 0, if error function you will use, and VLOOKUP. Okay, and then this very important part, this one, where you will fix the data. You will give the range and the column number. It's very important. Then this description, it's up to you. Whatever you want to write, you can write it. Even though if I will write, I will remove this value, I will remove this value, okay, and you will see here, you will see here, if I'm going to remove it, it will show that work group is not entered. So you need to enter this value and it will bring this value here. See, That's all. Thank you very much. Feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments.